In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly leave a workspace on Slack. Maybe you've changed jobs, wrapped up a project, or you're just trying to clean up the number of workspaces you're in. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the exact steps to deactivate your account for a specific Slack workspace, and I'll explain what you're seeing along the way so nothing feels confusing. First, open Slack on your desktop app or in your browser. On the left-hand side, you'll see the sidebar with your channels and direct messages. At the very top of that sidebar, look for your profile picture or initials. Go ahead and click on that profile picture. This is where you can access all of your personal settings for the current workspace. When the menu opens, you'll see several options related to your account. From this menu, select the option labeled Profile. This will open your profile pane, usually on the right-hand side of the Slack window. Here, you can see things like your display name, title, and contact information for this specific workspace. In the profile pane, look for the More button, which appears as a small three-dot icon. Click on that three-dot icon to reveal additional options. This is where Slack hides some of the more advanced or less frequently used settings. From the drop-down that appears, choose Account Settings. When you click this, Slack will open a page in your web browser. That's because account-level settings aren't managed directly inside the Slack app. They're handled in your workspace settings online. Once the browser page loads, you'll be taken to your account settings for that particular workspace. Scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Deactivate Account. Take your time here and make sure you're on the correct workspace, especially if you belong to multiple ones, because deactivating is a significant change. In the Deactivate Account section, you'll see a button that says Deactivate Your Account. Click that button to start the process. Slack may show you a short explanation of what deactivation means, such as losing access to messages and channels in that workspace. To confirm that you really want to leave, Slack will ask you to enter your password. Type in your password carefully, then click the button that says, Yes, deactivate my account. Once you do this, your access to that Slack workspace will be removed, and you'll be fully signed out of it.